So I'm here with Anaki and me, and we're gonna throw another kind of expired soda onto the ground, and hopefully this time I will get it.
Merry Christmas.
Are you shitting me?
Don't worry, that's New Year's.
It's New Year's. What does it look like? Okay, same scenario as last time. It kind of crack open, but it's not.
Hey!
Psycho!
Hey!
Name for the cat. Alright, do it. Son
Don't
of
worry, there's New Year's Day.
You hear that fizz? It's fizzing now. Oh, it's streaming. Live stream. Get it?
Hey!
Psycho.
Psycho, come here. Hey, come on. Dumb cat.
Psycho, we only have a few minutes to shoot this.
Hey, come here. Come here.
Psycho cat. There, finally got it. Look at that. 3 tries this time. As you can see, it left a beautiful foam, but a very crushed cat. And it's open over here. So, this is better than the last time. Can't even open.
There.
Alright. Thank you for watching, Anaki and me, and PhillyCloud123, and our cat from next door.
You dummy.
Thanks, guys. See you.